Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Android apps keep crashing. If you find a specific app crashing all the time when you try to access them, this is how you can fix them. This can be caused by several reasons. This can either be overloading of your phone storage, app internal issues, and or network issues. So if it's a network issue, you want to check your connection and make sure you have good internet connection. If this continues, this is what you want to do. You want to tap and hold down on the application and you should see options such as uninstall and app info. You can also see other options depending on the Android version you have. So tap on app info or drag the app to app info, and on the app info page you want to force to stop. Now this is what happens when you force to stop. It stops every internal process of the app operating at a particular time until the app is being launched again. So this will reload the application and should resolve the Android apps keep crashing error. But if that doesn't solve the problem, you want to tap on storage. On the storage page, you want to clear your cache. Tap on clear, and this will clear and reset the cache. So if there's any internal problem, this should reset it. After clearing the cache, try to restart the phone and this error should go away. Lastly, if you find the app still crashing, try to update the application from your app store and check if your device needs any updates. So thank you for watching this video on how to fix Android apps keeps crashing, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.